Hey traders, welcome to my trading plan introduction where I'll go through my trading plan so you have a structure for my daily trading review videos. My trading plan is that I trade the US markets and stocks from the NASDAQ and the NYSE. I trade the first 2.5 hours of the day and I have a day trading account of 59K currently. I do a maximum of 5 trades a day, with 2 of those being able to be stock trades and the rest being option scalps. I have a 1 minute, a 5 minute, and a 15-minute time frame. For my stock trades, I do $100 risk. I can trade every pattern that I know, and they all have their own criteria. And my management is a fixed 3R all or nothing with a break even at a 2R gain. This means that I either win $300 or lose $100 per trade, but at $200 gain, I move my stop to $0 instead of minus 100. For the second type of trade, I do options extension scalps. These are plays where you sell or buy the stock when it is extended from the moving average for a move back towards the said moving average. I do trades with 4 contracts with 30 cents target, 50 cents if it's Tesla. My options cost between $5 to $15 and they have a delta of 50 to 60. I only trade stocks that are high volume, large cap stocks that have high liquidity because they are easier to scale and to get in and out of. For each trade, I'm allowed to add one time with 4 more contracts, doubling the size. And the target is either 30 cents when it comes back to the 9 EMA moving average or at the end of the day. To enter my trades, I have to have 5 consecutive red or green bars on the 5-minute chart. It has to be extended into or away from the 5-minute 9 EMA. The higher time frames needs to be in alignment with the trade that I'm taking, which means the higher time frame looks like it's gonna go up and I'm scalping the stock higher. In my trades, I want the stock to already moved more than an average day's range, which means that it moved more than what it usually does in a day. And at my entry point, I want some sort of support, which can be a gap fill, it can be resistance on a higher time frame or a moving average. These are some examples of stocks on option scalps. Here we have a stock that moved up and had multiple red bars into a level of support, which is this gap fill, previous day's close, and also this blue trend line that I've drawn before. I bought some options here and I sold it here for a profit. This is an example of an extension play where you have multiple green bars away from the moving average and then you have the stock moving back into the moving average. Every day I will post trade reviews of the day's trades. They will come with a detailed summary of what type of plays I took, how they looked, and what my P&L was. And I will categorize each trade according to green trade for following the plan, yellow trades for missing 1 or 2 elements of the plan, red trades for missing more than 2, elements of the plan, and black trades for not at all according to plan. Later, I will have consequences for breaking my plan. Each day, if I break my plan, I have to do either 20 minutes cardio or 30 push-ups, or 60 minutes cardio or 90 push-ups, depending on what rule I broke. We have some light rules over here, which are lesser mistakes like trading after 2.5 hours or taking more than 5 trades. And we have more severe rules that I broke, that was holding overnight, adding too much instead of getting out, or taking options plays that are not scalps. So those were my trades. That was my review. My next review will be in January. That's approximately 35 trading days away. My goal until the next trading review is to increase my account with approximately 10K. And if I manage to increase my account from 58K to 68K, I'm allowed to raise my options size from 4 contracts to 5 contracts. Over these 35 trading days, that approximates to around $285 a day, or 71 cents in options per day. So that was my trading plan. If you have comments or feedbacks on my trade, you're more than welcome to post it at the end of the day.